All right, here we go. So we're going to be doing a little bit of Bassnectar today, and we're going to do this song Coast to Coasters and Psyopia, and then finish with the 808. All right, and we're going to be doing some 16th notes, quarter notes, and quarter rests. So here we go. So remember, we're going to drum speak this first too, slowly. Just first measure and dig it, that, that. Dig it, that, dig it, that. All right. I'll slow it down just a little bit. Right? Slow it down just a little bit. Dig it, that. Dig it, that. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and dig it, that. Dig it, that. Dig it, that, dig it, that. Add the next measure, chunk it together. 1, 2, ready, and dig it, that, dig it, that, that. 1, 2, 1, 2, again, go. Dig it, that, dig it, that, again. Whole line. Try it. Let's do the third and fourth measure. Ready? Dig it, that, D, that. Remember, D. Okay? Put it together. 2, ready, and dig it, that. Dig it, that. Dig it, that. D, that. Again. 2, 1, 2, ready, and dig it, that, dig it, that, dig it, that, D, that, good. 2, on your own, 2, ready, go. Again, 2, again, 2, ready, go. Next line, 2, ready, go. D, that, dig it, that, dig it, that, good. 2, 1, 2, ready, and D, that, dig it, that, dig it, that, That's such a cool track. You ready? Psyopia by Bassnectar. One of the greatest. 1, 2, ready, and dig it, that, dig it, that, that, dig it, that, D, that, D, that, dig it, that, dig it, that, good. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. 1, 2, ready, and D, that, D, that, dig it, that, that. Dig it, dig it. D, D. 1, 2, 1, 2, beginning, and. Dig it, that. D, D, that. Shh. Ready? Let's get another one going here. D, D, that. Dig it, that. D, D, that. D, D, that. D, D, that. D, D, that. Dig it, that. That. 2, 1, 2, ready, and that. Dig it, that. Do that again. 2, ready, and that. Dig it, that. Do that again. 2, ready, and that. Dig it, that. Now at the second measure, here we go. That. Dig it, that. Dig it, that. Again. 2 measures. 1, 2, ready, go. That. Dig it, that. Dig it, that. Add it all together. 2, ready, 1, 2, ready, and that. Dig it, that. Dig it, that. D, D, that. Dig it, that. Next line. 2, 1, 2, ready, and. That. D, D, that. D, D, that. Good. Oh, yeah. Now you ready for this? This is the 808 track, all right? 808 was a drum machine by Roland, I believe back in the 80s, but it's very popular in the 80s and 90s for producing all kinds of mostly hip-hop tracks, but also EDM. And so Bassnectar, this is his toast to the 808 drum module produced by Roland.
808 kick drum, 808 hat, 808 snare drum, 808 clap. Got an 808 this and an 808 that. Got an 808.
I'm flying.
808 that.
2, 1, 2, ready, and that. Dig it, that. Dig it, that. That. D, D, that. Dig it, that. That. D, D, that. Dig it, that. D, D, that. D, D, that. Here we go. Now listen to this. 2, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2 E and a 3, 4, 1, 2 E and a 3, 4 E and a. You hear those 16? That's what you're doing right here. Ready, that. Dig it, that. Dig it, that. That. D, D, that. Dig it, that. That. D, D, that. Dig it, that. D, D, that. D, that. All right, here we go. I'm going to put a new one up. I'm going to let you go on your own. 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Dig it, that. Dig it,
808
dig it,
snare
that.
drum, 808 clap, got an
Dig it,
808
dig it,
this
that.
and an 808 that, got an 808 boom and an 808
Back to beginning. That.
boom, 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 boom. 808 boom and an 808 back.
Dig it, dig it, that.
Drum, hat.
Dig it, dig it, that.
Snare drum, clap, got an
Dig it,
808
dig it, that.
this and this and that, got an
Dee,
808
dee, that.
boom and an
Hey.
808.
That. Dig it, dig it, that.
This is 404
Dig it, that. Dig it, that. All right, next page. Next page, here we go. One. Ooh, this is tricky down here. Ready? 1, 2. Ready? 1, 2. Ready? Here we go. Dig it, that. Dig it, that. Dig it, that. Dig it, that. Dig it, that.